Hello and welcome to SNY Delicious Foods. Today we are going to make chicken tikka masala using sauce that is bought from store. For the ingredient, I'll be using 2 chicken breasts, spring onion, white onion, tikka masala sauce from store. I'll also be using sunflower oil and black pepper. First, I'll start by cutting the spring onion in small pieces. Then I will chop the onion. The chicken breast has also been cut in small pieces. Heat the pan, then add the sunflower oil. About 2 to 3 minutes. When the oil is ready, you can add your chicken. Put the chicken in the oil one by one or in small batches without crowding the pan. While the chicken is frying, you can add the grounded black pepper. And then you can start flipping the chicken so you can cook on both sides. Let the chicken cook for a few minutes, then you can add the salt. The chicken has now been fried for about 13 to 15 minutes. Fry it until it's slightly golden, then you can take it out of the oil. I can see mine are ready now to be taken out. I'll take it out of the oil and put on a plate aside. In the same pan, add the chopped onion using the same oil that was left from the chicken. Continue to stir the onion until it's slightly golden and soft. Then you can add the spring onion. I'm going to put my mix in a big saucepan. In a bigger saucepan is because I would like to have the sauce to be properly cooked. But you can use the same pan that you used, especially if the pan is a bit deeper, that would be better. So I'm just moving this in a pan. Mix all together, then I'm adding my sauce. I'm adding the tikka masala sauce that was bought from store. And then I will mix all together and allow it to cook in the oil and in the mix for a few more minutes. You can now add the chicken seasoning. I'm adding the chicken seasoning. And because it has the salt already inside, I won't be putting too much salt in my meal. Then I'm adding a little bit of salt. Let the sauce cook for 5 minutes, then add the chicken and mix everything together. Let the mix cook and boil for a few minutes, about 3 to 5 minutes. Then you can add the herbs. I'm actually adding the parsley, but you can put any herbs that you like. You can now add 2 glasses of water. After that, put a lid on a pan and allow it to simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. While the dish is cooking, you can stir occasionally to ensure that it doesn't get stuck at the bottom of your pan, and making sure as well that the sauce doesn't dry out. Then you can remove your lid because your dish is now ready to be served. Now I'm going to serve this, and you can see the pieces of chicken. They are looking so yummy and delicious. And look at the sauce as well. There's no need to buy takeaway because you can make this at home. You can eat this with rice, naan bread, or even pasta. Please let us know in the comment section how you prefer to have your chicken curry. Thanks very much for watching SNY Delicious Foods. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.